toy?
No.
And you're
Nelson said the one who they can't get rid of. I come on my work still, you know. I put the plug in my phone and my work. I come. I block that page and block it.
Hi, how are you, Mama?
Chat me back to that gift card on my team. Good morning. Good morning, my team, wonderful team. Yeah. Boy. I can't bother. What's up? How?
Oh, look.
Follow!
Hi, bro.
Follow!
How are you?
Follow me!
Okay, follow you. Let's go match. किस्मत वाला खोबो की बल दो कसान वेरा. Come on, match.
Follow!
Okay, follow you. Follow. You are follow me. Let's go match start. One match, bro. One match, bro.
Chat WhatsApp. Chat WhatsApp. You know, my favorite understand over this. Me are always a number one problem. It's when them fast with me and me come go on body and me are the problem because what through me loud. I really confident in an argument. I really confident in an argument today. Come and work, but the viewership of my people we have to talk. Chat me be bad yesterday. And me's only human. We have to talk some bully part unnecessary things because we have to talk some unnecessary things at the end of the day. I talk some unnecessary things whenever they call for talk, but if I talk to my mom because I was upset. And sometimes when I'm upset at some talk, I curse everybody down to I'll pity them. When me upset. Stick up in Mickey, stick up in Mickey. Me can't control this girl. Coming to know this girl from nowhere. I'm gonna want to show today like I showed yesterday. For no understand what I try to say. But don't know this girl from nowhere. Vegetable, good morning. I don't know that girl from nowhere. Listen, TikTok, you have to listen. You see, Barbara birthday party on the 22, she came. How can I, Rosalie, make it make sense? How can I walk a fast with somebody that I don't know? She come a Barbara party the 22nd of December. That is the day he was born. She come there and before release the man and she give me a piece of tracing that night. Yeah. She went to got the paper for me. Class me and she class and she dip. She dive. You know when you know say she our old screener card, cause she like gonna screener card. Every single screener card that has to be about me, she's under there. I want old screener card in with Dre TV. Mrs. Circulate. I'm the on TikTok. I'm gonna go on and eat it. She comment, I remember this day pretty well. I'm gonna see that man logo. I'm gonna click on the name. I'm gonna click on the name Vetibu. I'm gonna click on the name Vetibu. I'm gonna start look on the profile. So I to myself say, me never see this girl somewhere already, Vetibu. Me never see this girl somewhere already. I look good. I say, but I see this girl somewhere already. Yes, you see her at the party. Me say, me say, me mama, Vetibu. Me say, me mama. As she did at the party. Who remember the day when Nessa go up and Really Live and tell Really Live say she know it firsthand. I know it firsthand. Every woman that come to that man in Silver Garden should argue with them. Me not come for none about tracing every day, you know. Because it don't make no sense, Nelson Mandela. Because me and that man, it don't there. And Mickey, what I'm trying to say is, me and the man not there. I will not take the man. Leave me alone. I don't want him. Me is not the problem. Lando want him. Me and the man down there. Me and the man down there. Me and the problem. Because clearly, what I always do is, you know, say me will get upset and we go loud. Me not go loud pound this morning. Next time I know what you do. I know it's that man send you. Because me know him good. Because what? Him want me still call him name. So him won't send no. And pretend like say I know him. I saw him stay. Me not put no allegedly on nothing. Me now walk a fast with people and me Rosalie not put no allegedly on nothing. Me know him send you. Because me know him. Him not deal with him kind of head. And like in a people head. Me know him send you, Nessa. Me know when him a film palm written all over it. Him send you. Because I know before you take out the paper, you have to run it by him first. And say, yeah man, do your thing, man. Because what? Him not like this when me happy and him want me always cuss and go on bad. So him can come out and deflect and talk about I mean shower up, I mean shower. Let's leave me alone. Please. Leave me alone in the name of Jesus. Please. You have your own two people them where you give it, and me have my own two government take from me. Let us focus on our kids. Yeah, me now come be a bad yesterday I come be a bad today. You can't study me. All of the girls them. All of the girls them over here. All of the girls them over here. All of the girls them over here with me and them a long time arrival. Them me know them and them know me. Me never was no arrival, Nessa. All of the girls them over here with me and them a long time arrival. We used to sit down and trust one another from day in, day out and put out picture and do the things them. You wasn't that one of those persons. None at all. I don't know you from nowhere. I can call out all of the names them. I just reach not to. Me and the girl, me know them a long time arrival. Once a Rosalie business, I'm always night. Cause me and them go at it long time for the media. You wasn't one of those girls. I mean, I add it to the pack. I mean, I add it to the calendar. Yeah. And I've said before, I said that from last week, I rather keep my long time arrival them, and me and them would go at it when we're ready. But me no want you come off from my back. Me not add it to the calendar. I don't know if I'm nowhere, me and man don't dare. Wrong person attack. I don't know if I'm nowhere, unless I made me and man don't dare. Wrong person attack. Me don't know if I'm nowhere and me a man down there. Leave me alone. You walk a search my address like you're sick in your head. You walk a search my phone number. You walk a search my address. You walk a search my phone number. You're sick. Leave me alone. Yeah, leave me alone. Me and the man there. Me and left the man a long time ago. You have to give me take the man, leave me alone. Me not have no friend that takes it pan that man. Me not have no moderator that takes it pan him. Me not have nobody. Me not have nobody that is acquainted to me is taking set on that man. Nobody at all. Cause if my moderator them, if I go over there, go type my and mad them. Leave him alone. We not throw no rock and hide and all over your big people. We don't need to play kids games. Because when you see me I road, you not chat off on the mouth. And that's someone want to talk off on the mouth. Not pan here. Me work here, so I tell you that from last week. I work here. I can't, but if I come over here every day, over here every day and be some type of way around the people them. Because when you get me upset and me upset, me will talk all with me not talk. I'm tired of that. Don't know if I'm nowhere. You're in everybody. Check comment section, Una Blackness out. She not every comment, every screener card that lies with me, she's there. Jabas run you. Akim have to block you. Me dey on live with Jabas and Akim. You jump from Jabas to Akim. Jabas have to run you and block you. Akim have to block you. Why them me upload them boy over? Every time me upload the people me over the opposite. You sit down and you watch me on every different page. You sick girl. Make you obsessed over people so. She have one person named Mr. Big Rosalie Headache. You sick girl. Stop walking and searching mate role for me. Me will never be mate Nessa. That's a number one. Me will never be mate. If a mate role, you want to feel like say, yeah, me and Rosalie are mate. Me will never be mate, mama. Remember June the 26th, the big bad party. Me will never be mate auntie sister girl. Me will never in another category there, nor in another farm there. Stop walking and look mate role for me. And you can't be my mate girl. You're an obsessive person and you're not stop. And what day you them a beg for my mama? You reach over there. You're obsessed. Something is literally wrong with you girls over here. No, sir. Me now walk on fast, so you know. Make it make sense. Cute boss come on this man and say, no, but Rose a troll Nessa a troll Rose. Cute boss, Cute boss, you're on the internet long enough. Me never, ever said no word about your English. You care what you say about me. I'm not that type of person. Me a girl will live to create happiness, not drama. Me will create drama when the problem come, of course. Me will get involved in it when you trouble me. But me as a girl will live to create happiness. All of my friends are happy people. All of my friends are happy people. Ask them never, when we put a conference call, never a dull moment. Me, Toto, when me and Toto upon it, appear laughing. Me, Toto, Munchi, just said, just at a drama, you know. Need, we talk, we laugh, we slung, we talk, we laugh, we don't slung and talk and laugh. So sugar that we witness me first and are happy people. Me create something, make a happiness me create. Because at the end of the day, the whole of we a human being, I go through phases in life, and the whole of we have a lingua. The whole of we I go through phases in our life, the whole of we have a lingua. Me create happiness. Me walk around and search the people and make people happy and be friends with them people. People can crack joke. Me not do mix up friendship. And sometimes I don't really want to hear. Me I tell you no. Sometimes I don't want to hear. And me can't get very interested easily. And me I talk to a man and them bore me no want him. Me get very uninterested easily. You don't know me, no know me. Who know me study the ways of me. I get very uninterested easily. I like excited people. And that's why me and Aki match. He is a very excited man. He like the bag of excitement. Sometimes I like the bag of yeah. I like excitement. In a good, positive way. And then I like the other excitement. When you piss me off, I have to go for you. I like that excitement there too. So I'm a very excited person. I like boring people. I not take boring man, I keep boring show. He said I start get boring pie, I'm come off. Sometime over here, once a gift natural, and then I see the day I got boring. I'm just boring. I play with the opponent and I'm boring. You see me take me look at it, you see me gone on my phone, you see me I look, I'm bored, me get bored. So you see me there, you see me just zone out. I'm bored. Next time I walk fast with the knee, you know. Because I want to walk look from girls, I walk look from girls. Because I don't walk and look mate and I don't keep mate. If you are take the man fine and if me I take the man fine, when your time, I want my time. You understand what I say? And always, but tell myself, say, me I try avoid this man and keep this man name out of my mouth. Him always find a way to say no. So him name can call back. Because I know him send you. Next time I know him send you. Because you're a moderator over there. You have him number. You and him meet up. So I know anything what you do, anything what you do, you have to run it by him. Him get to go ahead. Me call my and tell him say why I'm don't tell him to leave me alone, you know. But me realize him not tell him to leave me alone because him constantly want me call him name so him can come out and deflect and say, oh, you know, so she obsessed over me. The plans that you all do is so low for human being. Yes. Come on, as him saying this, because him can't tell nobody say me I walk fast with you. And he knows me not fast with you. He knows all of that, you know. So it's him send you. You and him so long and plan it on WhatsApp and him say, yes, go do it. When she serve her paper, she put on her status. When she ball out, when them ball out, chat let me know. Me not ball out nothing this over here me say two brother grind and breed you. I am mama handicap, I give you a pity them, I smell like man shoe scrub. Over here. I not put no allergy pants over here, me hear it. On the internet. You can't sue people for public knowledge. You start take man for your 10. You can't sue people for public knowledge. When you do I leave me alone. You can't sue people for public knowledge. You start take man for your 10. Look on you, Nessa, where one can argue with me. A 10-year-old is just a child. And your maiden take for your 10-year-old. And you want go sue your maiden who take for your 10. Wanna go sue the maiden who take for money at 10? Eh? Go sue your maiden. When you go sue the man who take a maiden for your 10-year-old? The man them actually sorry. When I put a legend man over here, me hear it. Go sue the man who take a maiden for your 10, man. Look as a female, a 10-year-old, they don't even have no passage. If you see uno a take man a 10-year-old, I mean uno a certified dog bed. Uno have surf ticket in a dog bed, beddings. A 10-year-old, mighty God of Greece. So, try me look through money gun. Track, remember the tag gifter. That boy, I'll beg to give me a man. Me never go down like that today, no. No. At that part, the more. Imagine you take man at 10. Track, me I look two tag gifter. Vegetable, me auntie. Track. Me I look two tag gifter for the gallery. Me don't talk, me can't bother. Track, me I look two tag gifter for the gallery. I work, me come one into the ranks. Try to come to enter the ranks, I look two tiger gifts there. So we have the tiger gift for the wheel, the money gun, the private jet, the post, the lion, everything. I look something today on Monday. I don't have time for that. Imagine you take man at 10. Try to look two tiger gifts there. No morals to yourself. That 10-year-old little girl, it was a bad little girl. And then you have the audacity to come on the internet and want to troll a girl. You always a troll me, girl. I don't know if I'm the way. You know me and I don't know you. And for the second last time, Nessa, if you don't know, me don't want the man and the man don't want me, me and him don't do. You can't leave me now. Me move, you don't see me with my man, you're blind? My man don't even want me to talk about you know. That upset me. They might try to ruin my relation. When I say people that try to ruin me, them people that try to ruin my relationship day by day. My man don't like these things. When I work for my man leave me. When I work for my man leave me, they go have I do the name. Because I come over video and talk about this man a day. You think me don't love my man? Chat me I look two tiger gifter. Me I look two money gun, me I look two galaxy, me I look something up on the board. No, I'm not saying I have this man name for months. I have proven to Akeem. Me can avoid this man name from February 24th to March 24th. Me can avoid, you know. Stop upset me. These teas with them do upset me. Because at the end of the day, if you know so you not trouble a person, every day a person don't pay you in a box. Check the ratio, everything. The whole way I say big people are not fool. If you know so you not trouble a person, and every day them they in a box pay your name and album pay your name, and them they will come out about paper, serve paper to you. You know must get upset. The whole way a human being. You must be upset. Because if you that trouble and I get the paper and money say a word. I can't accept when I'm wrong, you know. It is me an idiot. I'm a dunce. I can't accept say I'm wrong. Me a 32-year-old June come me at 33. I can't accept say I'm wrong. He said, me know say me a walk a fast with Nessa and she serve me one paper, me know when me wrong. Like I know said some of the things I say yesterday was uncalled for. But I was very upset. Me know when me wrong. Me don't want nobody tell me when me wrong because me know it. Me can't accept when me wrong. Me can't identify when me wrong. Me can't stop when me wrong. Me a human being. Someone who can't identify when me wrong. Me know when I went wrong. Me know when it went wrong. If me do something, me know me wrong. Me don't need nobody to come call me. I say, Rosalie, you know say wrong. No, me know when me wrong. And when me not wrong, me not done. That's what I not get. Because me know me not wrong. Nessa know about me before me know about Nessa. And she a fast walk a fast with me. And every given time when Nessa in a box, I talk about me all over sunshine everywhere. Really, you have never seen me in that life. You never see me coming there yet. Nessa, to all me not like you. I know your crosses. People don't send me nothing with you. People want to say, boy, Nessa, the pay from the whole morning. Me have nobody in my inbox send me nothing about you. They don't never send nothing about you. And you are walking fast with me because you take the man and you want some type of highlight and you want me know you take the man. I tell him me know you take him already. The same night when you come a bar party and the same night him carry away. Yeah. Till all what I'm friend him to me say, I will him get the rock there from. Because you don't look demure, you don't look like somebody. When him carry down a CV, you don't look demure. You don't look like you're smart, you look like a little rat. Even your mate look better than you. Even your mate look better than you. Remember, me not like no one, but I saw me speak justice. Nessa, even Ali look better than you. You don't look good. You look like one long time, still look old girl. Everybody talk about you, whisper and laugh about you. I mean, know them something there, I just leave it. You go there after bar party, you go there again. I mean, no. I mean, him Rosalie. I mean, I have to keep up with the Kardashian like Uno. People see me and just laba. I say the chink come down here day, you know. Where him get she from? Boy, the girl just look whole and tired. I'm laugh. And this man talking about you like that in the next. You look whole and tired. And where him get you from? That's why I'm don't upfront with it anymore because those are the things that his friends are saying about you. To him, because him friend them face there will tell him, so where you get that old back from? And those are the things that why I'm not par with you. It's not about me. It's about his friend. I'm going to sit down and say, where him get that old back from? I don't have no money, I don't look good, I don't nobody. And them things that hurt him look of feelings because where them will class you. Because after you go there after barber party, you go there after before. Go check him. I'm here a long time, I'm don't even care because me and him don't there. Release me, baby girl. No. Release me, drunk girl. Release me. Me move on long time, you don't see me with my man. Why me often argue with you? Like, me don't want this man. The man they bought him business with him pitting them. Me don't want every day for come every day and talking about this man and him pitting them. Me no business about this man and him pitting them. This time I walk fast with people, you know. But I see you Thursday night. But I see you Friday night. I don't meet here. I want a party. But I see you Thursday. But I see you Friday. And I see you up to last night. Hey, you want big excitement creep on the internet? No. Come in and walk fast with people. You know what time I see you, Nessa? But I see you Thursday. Go over Mali, go take in one skirt and move away at the party with my bodysuit. I'm going to take it in over Mali, I'm going to the station. I have a word with the police and them tell me what's up. I'm going to come in for. I say, okay. I'm going to see you Friday night at Turf, a party. They run the road when party done, but they run the road and laba. Me and my two local friend them. And that's some whole part. So whole part excitement. Me not talk about that. And last time I do one bill. I do one party bill and I make sure left me and I go pay my party bill. Still don't have a drink with my long time friend them. Have a drink and then have a drink up the road. Up at Trisha, I left up at Trisha, I go way around the road till I reach over a mile over the studio. I want big man, you know what to me say? A long time I want to see you. Don't make them don't argue with them. You are the foundation for all of them, and that is what always up. And I want you to get upset, you know. Actually, I know say me pave way for you someone over here can have platform and always try to style me. That get me upset. How without me, you couldn't have a platform on social media. How you know nobody? You don't have an Instagram page. My publicity start from Instagram days. You don't have an Instagram page. You have followers on Instagram. And me are the foundation for all of this. Me I look shape by triangle, Jennifer looking self are the foundation for this. And I true enough attachment to me so you can't have name. And I use that leverage and style me every single day. Oh, you mean if me not feel away? It's not about wanting who I want to do. Love can't fade away. Love can't fade away. You can't the people feel at 20, 35, the love just fade away. Love can't fade away. It's about who wanting who and who wanting who. But the whole of big people I want to know, say, and me are the foundation for Uno, the whole of Uno try to style me, and me make you can come past social media. And before you come and say, boy, bad to bad, you know. Other girl make, other shape bad girl make me a platform, you know. Wanna live every day for still and style me and chastise me. Me not even so, no. This is me I got see you knock on the doorway, I never look on you. When me I got see you last time, I see my mother walk, I come from over a train line. I walk through the big old land, open like Ico shop used to this I go cross. I know my mother when I see she. We don't even look on her. I when I come down the road, I stop at Musso, I'm going to go around the road. When I dash, I'm going to go about my business. I'm going to come back home and say me I got my yard. I make kind of tips and say me I go home. You know, I walk a fast, you know. It's so easy, but then I don't know come and I walk a fast, you know. I may have to about them time that night. Next of them time that night. And I'm not going to talk about, oh, you can't come back and see him. I'm going to end hours a night. Run and most run and dash me. People will love me around there. Will know the real truth of all of this. I know, say. I work on mine, you know. I sell on mine, you know. I hustle to the team. I pick to them. So I have some people, oh, shall walk and give me money and I pick them one things I see you. I work on mine, them. I'm still try my best. I want to try my best. It come like me not try, so I just leave it. I'm loyal to the T. Nobody can use money and corrupt me. You see that platform when me create, and me run it. Someone want to create platform and people tell them what to do. I not go along with it. I can't speak justice when justice is to be split. I can't speak justice when justice is to be split. And me, Rosalie, can identify when me wrong. I don't want nobody call my phone. Oh, you're wrong. Me a big woman. Or tell your mama that. Me never wrong yet. He said me a fast with you. I know me a fast with you. I can't say yeah, me a fast with you. He said me not fast with you. Me not fast with you. Me a big woman. A long time upon the earth. Me ain't no mate, and me ain't no friend, Nessa. Avoid my name. Go argue with Alia. Stop come on the internet, come go on like say, me ain't a some type of beef. Me not there with a man. Me have my man, me not there with a man. Me have my man, I'm not there with your man. Me have my man, I'm not there with your man. Stop come on the internet, come go like me ain't a beef over man. Because I know, I say you're gonna make it look like when you come and you provoke me. And you hear me start a class, you're gonna go on like says man me a war over, and a man me obsessed over, I wanna always do it. I know you know in this story why when someone can't talk when they always get wrong. Isn't that a case, yeah? Everybody on TikTok saying this is the problem. She go in a box with my name. She in a comment section with my name. She all over with my name. And I know I'm gonna write one song about her because I don't really care. You can't drain my energy. Yesterday I just want to cuss you and feel nice. Because I know I'm a cuss you feel some type of way more and feel nice. That's why I tear up your paper. You can't sue me for nothing. Me can drop screen record when you tell me this and you tell me that. Me have the whole of them in my phone. But you want to be seen because him send you. Him send you and him song and go like him no know nothing. That's why him stay. I him that. Because when me I try to avoid him, stop calling him, these are the things that he do. Yes, I know him, you know. Me and me for me at 20, I know me at 32, I'm living with me at 32. I know every cribs I ever corner him. Him would never done. So somebody else, him gonna always send me for try a thing. This is just the beginning. And something I have to constantly deal with over the part time of years. Him always gonna try something. I know I'm gonna start though from after today. I'm gonna start ignoring him. Because in time I got silent on him not like that. I realize him weakness. Him not like I'm go silent on him. I'm gonna see you 3 times, I'm gonna look on him. See him pass me to my face away, I pretend like I don't know him. I not have nothing to say. I said to all me I play my cards them right. I'm youth them, I not even look on them more than they are ordinary. Come no want go. I'm gonna say what my daughter and go start argument. Come know him stay. What chat to already. We try to stay far. And I might pity them. Because as when I say I know him so much. That's me know sir him tell if you do it next sir. You tell him say you go do it and him tell you yes. Because what? All I know him grind, him have to get to know on the head. If him not get to know on the head, him not feel good. Him the one thing in my head, you know. Yeah. I'm the type one do as I say. I saw him stay. So I know him like my hand back. Him will never stop. You think him done yet? You don't know the man they must say. If me can't have it, nobody can. You don't know them the man there. Some man tell them say to them can't have you, nobody else can't. And them no matter how much woman them have in the world, he's a Capricorn. You know him like my hand back. He will never, ever, 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 ever stop. Some of them don't want to feel like say. Want to feel like. So what is wrong with you, girl? Get a hold of yourself, you're a woman. You know what I hate? When man no want no man use you for doing the dirty works. You're a big woman. Me talk, but me give a woman to woman talk. Me not cuss you, cause me not cuss you already. Me not talk to a woman to woman. This man no want you stop make man use you for do them dirty works. Cause so when me Rosalie identify say a man no want me stay far from them. Come on, all I always want for many different reasons, you know. I say from a boy proven to me how much him don't want me, stay far from him. You know do your dirty works, you don't want me, so I'm gonna do your dirty works. You don't want me. Why am I gonna do your dirty works, you don't want me? That makes sense? That don't make no sense? That don't make no sense? Look at yourself, but you no don't. Because if a man there with a woman for 12 years, she just walk and left him like that. If me there with a man for 12 and a man just left me like that. Just like that. Oh, me gonna get over it. It's logicness, sir. You crazy girl. It's logics. Me know that boy for how long and that boy just walk away and left me, just left me so. Me don't know the reason why I'm left me. I go puzzle my mind every single day. Why him left me? You know come on social media come argue on about me. I yes so me work. Me move on long time. Me say no that's what they move on, you know. Move on from 2000 and move on from here around 27, 28. And last night, me I tell my good friend, one big man say, I have prayed for this day so much. I don't know what is wrong with someone, you know, but I want to tell you today. Because today, I don't know if you hear it. I have prayed for this day so much. When me can't walk away, when you see me on the road, you can't say nothing to me because me in a day. Me I tell you no, I have prayed, no matter where more I say, I have prayed for this day. Like literally, when I go to my bed at night time, I sit down and pray, Father God, if the man are right for me, make him stay. And if the man are right for me, make him go on. Because I see the situation. I have prayed for this day so much. Me have time when I look at my mirror and a pure tears come out of my eye. Me a ball in my mirror. And I look at my reflection and I say to myself, what you do to yourself? And myself, me I talk to myself and myself I talk to me. Then why you can't let go and go on? I'm gonna me don't know. Yeah. Me don't know. God bless Hakeem anyway. God bless Hakeem anyway. In the world him there. Yeah. My heart suffer goes out to Hakeem anyway. In the world him there. 4.4K, that's the truth. My heart have always go for that little boy anyway. In the world him there because me I tell her say, if Hakeem never come in my life, me that's still in a bandage. Me that in a one hole, me can't come out. The boy see me a drown and just rescue me. Him just jump and say, come Rose. They say I've prayed for this day. They say he doesn't even know. What? True. Pause up, chat. Rosemary Chandler. What? I'm gonna hear listen and say, what? No. Nessa, I have a last night, me I tell one big man friend of I have prayed for this day so much. So that's why I now come prove. That's why I'm done with the proof who want back over who want back. I'm done with that. I have prayed for this day so much. I'm look at my big man friend and said to him, say, you know much time more run from this man. If you are look at me and tell me say I deserve better. I'm bad to bad. Bad to bad. Me no want to say this, but that's the truth. If I say it, that's how I stay. It's a C&Lee. Although sometimes I'm a fucker, I can't eat it because C&Lee was one of them. I say, Rosie, they deserve better. I say, figure it out as much as I don't like him. He was one of them. I look at me and say, Rose, you deserve better. I'm not going to tell a lie. He don't like me, I don't like him. But I just saw me stay. He was one of them. I on the phone call with him and I say, Rose, listen to me. You deserve so much more, little girl. You deserve so much more. Walk away. You can't help yourself. You can't help yourself. You don't need him. Walk away. This is not healthy for you. And anytime you want to talk, call me. Sometimes you have to remember what the good what people do for you and then wrong bang the bad. That's why sometimes I just leave people. Remember the days when my back is against the wall. I know them have my back. Them call me on the phone call, I can't forget the night. I cry. And them say, where you cry for? You don't know what to do. When the man go away, I go. You have your local change. You can move and sort out yourself. You soon get back at you. Them everything will be okay. Yeah. Some of you don't feel like say, wow, what? Wow, what? The man beat me like dog. Yeah. And on my journey, I talk about, not talk about people, because I'm busy with people business. I'm going to tell Alia thank you. Alia, thank you. Alia, thank you so much. Because at the end of the day, girl, you release me. Akim, thank you, because you saved me. Because if him never take Alia, Akim never come rescue me. I couldn't come out of this bandage when I did I'm in it for 12 years. I mean, as my talk, me get lick. As my spin, me get lick. Lick. The man beat me for the least. Me don't know what you feel like, girl, but it's not what you think it seems. No, baby girl. Nessa, sit here. Just a seat here. 17 stitches inside out. And the evening when the lady addressed my hand, she has stitched it. The nurse, she said to me, say, who did this to you? And I said, my baby father. How much kids you have him? I said, 1. Then I Chantal have. And you're gonna go back to him after all of this? And I don't open my mouth. And she looked at me and said to me, say, if you were a slim person, you wouldn't have no hand. I said, what are you talking about? What is wrong with on social media? Are you crazy or something? I've been saved by an angel. You crazy? Akim come save me. The man look at me and said to me, say, if me is slim like you, Nessa, me don't have no hand. But that be a one-hand person. Nessa, look here. Nessa, look here. Look here. See there? It's a buck me get here, so. 1 buck. A knife cut me here, so. It's a chop me get here, so. A knife cut me here, so. See them here, Nessa? See the next one, yeah? See the next one, yeah? One heel bus car is there. What are you talking about? Want back what? And as much as I'm wicked my mama be, and them all that. I mean, I'm going to do with them. If them carry out to me a morning, me dead in a full force. Me I tell you no, cause some stay. As wicked as all my mama be, if she carry out to me a man, have a circumstances, and she knows. But if I talk about my warring system, I talk about my mother, as wicked as she be. She carry out a man and I said, my daughter, I'm throw it from a distance, girl, and walk away. This is what are you talking about? No look no mate roll for my girl. I'm over, I'm finished, I'm done. This I said I cut here. It have a wrap. I wrap it 3 different times with 3 different old cloth. I have a wrap it up and tie it up with 3 different old cloth. It does a tie it up. And the night, I never forgot the night. Never forgot the night. I mean, my mother got public. And when I reach another room, them take off the cloth there, them take off the cloth, them take off the cloth there. Me not looking at it. I saw my face turn. I saw my mother looking at it. She said, Jesus Christ. The wall I have so, the wall I don't have so, drop down over so. I threw me at the Facebook page again with the bandage. Next time I cut I take almost 2 months to heal. Every time I go over CV clean for heal, I know man rub the gauze, dip the gauze, she dip the gauze in a peroxide. I want to rub it so it is a frat up, so this is just can't move. I'm just have Shanta at a little tender age. Baby. I'ma still forgive him and move and let breathe again and breathe again and breathe again. The chapter is closed, sir. So I realize that him have a tendency if I say I come here if I say who want over who want who. I am finished with you. I have moved on casually. And now if I move on and it don't work out, I still move on. So you talking about, Nessa? This? See that? Sit here. What are you talking about? The man beat me for nothing. I'ma tell myself, say, I never take up another man to lick me. As I lick me, I'm done. I nah say we can't argue. I nah go say we can't fight. Because we are human beings, it happen. But for literally sit down and abuse me day in, day out, I'm not going to do that anymore. So I don't know what you're feeling, Nessa, but I am very quite fine. Here, wealthy and lowly, mama. TikTok. If me the slim like Nessa, me that be a one-hand person. And I mean to say, you know, I the woman we had stitch my hand tell me. At 6 times she intricate. Here and here, here and here, here and here. "17 stitches inside out. 17 stitches inside out. And that's why I'm telling him I have no chance with me. So the whole I want to we are real and a real and a real and a real and a real. I don't want to think, don't know nothing. Never again. Me can't run from me, can't run out of beating and then I run back, go back in night. That don't make no sense. And last night, I tell my big man friend, I have prayed for these days for so many years. Me have days when one big man look at me and to me say, well, you don't leave this man and go on. Leave this one and go look life. I want to make it like you come back for your youth them. I say, no, I can't leave them because I don't want them go up and neglect me. Because me didn't neglect them when I'm young. I'm staying nice for 12 years. Pure beating. Beating come, beating go. Me? You crazy? What up, chat? So if 4.9k people feel say me I go back. And if Akim still not having them back, I might say me I go back. You save me, baby. I'm finally free at last. Freedom is a must. Freedom is a must. Babylon say jail for me, but the judge say bail for me. Somebody tell the jury, Jack control me destiny. Me? 5,000 people. Akim, you save me. Look boy, you never know what you do to me. You do for me. So I have to have your loyalty straight. 110%. You save me. You don't know what you do for me. I know what me do for you, what you do for me. You save me, you know long more run. I sit down and calculate my days them all for move. A long time I sit down and calculate my days them. What you gonna do, me no know. Oh, you gonna leave, me no know. The pity them, Lord God. When they leave, and when they leave, we got compete and the pity them. I sit down and talk about them, the days to myself. Toto I was them say, why do you say do? Toto me no know. Toto upon where do you say do all the while? You deserve better friend. Where you do to yourself. I'm not busy with you, you know. And then he get stern because I'm not busy with you, you know. Because all the while they come and tell me say this man I beat and abuse you. And you call me and tell me that I not do the right thing. I don't want to hear. You vex with me because of the one story. You always call me and tell me, say this man I do the things them. I'm going to tell you, leave the man, go, you're not here. I'm bestie of them. I'm talking to a friend from me at 13. We have this conversation over and over and over. I'm talking to a friend from me at 13-year-old. And I'm the social media friend. So when Uno comes about, and our bestie tell me our business, him not do that. Never. Cause loyalty within the team, the pack. From me at 13, we know him, the Sean Crasburn. Him tell me, what you do yourself? We don't want to hear that in a girl. So guess what happened? Wow. The man give me a piece of beating last night. You know what I tell sugar, I'm gonna look on them. The man give me a piece of beating last night. Are you still there with him? I shut up. All the while I ring to the phone. Are you still there with him? I shut up. Then them come with I'm stern, you know. Me no want to hear. We are coming at me that girl, me no want to hear. My time tell us say, leave the man and you deserve better. But you go like I eat that, me no want to hear. Me have time to call to them say me don't want to hear. Me have to change the topic because him don't want. And when him say him don't want hear, him mean him don't want hear. You don't know him like I do. When him say him don't want hear, mean him don't want hear. Him no want hear nothing. Cause him tell me over and over, leave this man, he deserve better. Then Junior go in and tell the man, analyze you if you leave him. What more proof you want? You mean by it? What I talk about? If me never meet Hakim last year, me that still there see you on a beating. Toto, if me never meet Hakim last year, Hakim boy, me not care what no one say me not leaving him. Because me did at a point in my life where me need somebody to come and rescue me, and he did. Me need somebody to save me, and he did. Me not left him. Me no care what none of you want to say upon this mother blood clot, fucking blood clot. Me no care. My loyalty lies with him always. Yeah, him save me. Because me, as a human being, me never have the strength and the courage to walk away. Sometimes I don't want somebody to grab my hand and say, come, walk away. Move up, lift up. Because sometimes we need somebody to say, alright then, hold your hand and have to walk. The care want to tell me, say, the care what Angela say, the care what Toto say, the care what Munchi say, me did always just still dead. I mean, I keep and I tell myself, say, why I'm still here? This man abused me so much physically and mentally. The amount of beat me get no stop here, so me. I think him nice. Next time him no nice. Him no nice. Him no nice, that's all. Is a man who search my phone when me asleep. When me asleep, him search my phone. And when him find nothing with me and nobody, out of my sleep, frighten me, what? I do this. Yo, full of tech man for. Yeah. And the ball roll start. Choke me, squeeze my neck. When I tell me man, this man squeeze my neck to tell him feel like my life I lock off. This old man look on my neck, I catch me. Lord God, Father God. Boy, God bless. I came anyway and I roll him there. Trust me. And I him save me, you know. All along no type on social media leave him. I never do want to leave. Yeah. Anyway, I'm there and I roll. God bless him. Wait, me all this, yo. Full of tech man for. Full of tech bad man for. Rare. You know what you talk about? All this, how it's boy, this, all this. And when them grab and pie your neck and squeeze it, like literally squeeze it. It's when them let me go, me a gap for ear. me a taking enough ear for breathe. And I can't fight back because I say just grab my neck. I hear me a fight for. I can't fight back. Me a fight for my life with ear. And me have time when I sit down and ball. You come here joking in my face. You embarrass me, do me the things them. As many men ask me, the first thing you grab up on my throat. What not talk about? What? You crazy? You never know? No. So me not gonna prove over here who want who. Me don't want him. No. Me did that for 12 years. Me don't want no more of that, my love. Brother stay wealthy and lonely. Me can't take no more man beating. Me sorry. Me no can't. Try to owe me the, to owe me the, to owe. But you know, one difficult place. I cut myself. I have a scarf on my hand and me cut myself. I have a scarf. I remember one night him beat me in my mother's room. And him beat me and him beat me and I'm tired. Cause I'm fight, I get so tired. You know, don't think what I do? I cut myself, him ease off for me. Me have one scarf on my hand now and me literally use one buckle and slice it. Just roll it across it. Me I tell you no. Me use and me do it. I never want to go by my risk. I never want to go by my risk, because if I go by my risk, I don't know how dangerous it would be. But I go below my risk. And me cut myself. And then I cut myself, him release me the night. Can remember the night. Him release me, I go way around the road. The lane above that shell, I go way around the road and I stop on one bench. And I ball to myself. I call to the phone and I never get him. To go on in bed. Because them time I don't have nobody for talking about Toto. I call him. Coming on social media like that, you know. At them time I go ring to the phone and I never get him phone. I'm going to sit way around the road to myself. Yeah. So I don't know what someone feel like over here. Yeah. It's a flask buckle me use. I broke it and I just run it. How I run it, you see white come. When I run it, you see white, then I see red. The first thing you start see a white, then you see red. So I know exactly what I talk about. You see white, you see the skin start to open up, so then you see right, then you see white, then you see pure red. So all of who know, we have on the back on the head, so me that go back. I run for my life, I know I've been saved. My sister and him mama, everybody say me wealthy and lonely. And my rather be wealthy and lonely more than in some type of bandage where I want somebody to save me. And in them days, nobody know about me. Nobody at all know about me. Remember one day I go up on the road. And I use my phone and he beg me a call. I say me I use my phone. The man bucked me in my nose bridge. The fire bucked me so. Chat. Me say dark, me say moon, me say blinky. Every blow I play blood. Every I play blood. The man buck me yasso. I'm a can't see. A pure blood is a buck me get. Yasso is a buck me get. Buck the man buck me yasso. Yasso is a buck me get. Yeah. My cousin named LaQuisha. My cousin named LaQuisha was used to sell food over train and he used to go help her. And a regular work, LaQuisha look on him and tell him, say, yeah, my cousin, stop deal with the girl, so. Stop deal with the baby mother, so she named LaQuisha. Over train line she live. And what they say in her scheme, she had a little daughter. She say, let me say, yeah. But the girl, me if you catch up, a bucking buck me, so. Come in one night and say, want some front. I'm just on some come here to work, I'm gonna drop asleep and him go drop asleep and I leave him. I say go and sleep and the man wake up at 4 tell me for oh you have your man. Come on, come in as a man come in as a man to want some front and you gonna make man drop asleep. Boop. Before me even explain, I say the man goes so boop. Yes so Peter. I don't know what is wrong with someone over here. Me. $1. Me. You saw me pregnant with Shanta? The amount of beat me get. The amount of beat me get married. It's the day when me going to hospital for Shanta. Me pass my due date. I'ma ring my granny phone. I'ma say my granny me tired. Me and the poor baby in my belly tired. My body till me weak. She said me say, here we do. Pack your bag and go on up Jubilee. Go on now. Don't wait, I'm tired. Me and the poor baby tired. We Shanta take long for bantu, she tired. Me not have no good memory of that, man. No good memory of that, man. I'm tired. It's so when I ring my grandfather, I say my granny, I'm tired. Boy. I can't take it no more. She said, go on up at Jubilee. Shanta one born and can't born. I'm tired and I'm stressed out. My 2 pregnancies when me having in my whole entire life was a tired and stressed out pregnancy. My pregnant and hungry that kill me. Never see nobody. All the mama here chat me never see. She say all the mama lick me in my back with big stone on me pregnant. They think them nice? The one on over here chat. You know what me go through? Me nah go back. I'll be a fool. She lick me in my back with big stone when me pregnant with Shanta. I said me go to the station, my box are around in front of the police. One big stone and back, boop. I'ma start to fret if the baby alive in me. Because when she lick me with the big stone, I'ma go beard and go so with the rag, a clog blood come out. Who this I text my phone? When she lick me with the big stone, I'm going to the bathroom and be a clot blood come out. I'm call my granny. I say my granny, I say clot blood underneath me. I start fret for Shanta the motor massilizer, you know, hear me I call you. Me I tell her motor, I say motor massilizer, you know, hear me I call you. Cause some me call her motor massilizer, you know, hear mama I call you. Cause I'm out bad. She's a genius. That's why I'm not coward down. Make she talk. Oh, she not a man has make she stay. You cut through it with that little girl. He said, I'm going to the bathroom and go so as a clad blood. I say, Jesus Christ. I'm going to show him it. I'm going to the station. They get people to go to public. I'm going to the waiting room and the doctor see me. What are you about? Where you come about today, ma'am? Me say no, say your mother take one stone and lick me in my back. And when me I go be, me say clad blood. Right away. Test start run. Right away me have a pee-pee. Right away me have to go pee-pee. I'm start Fred Panuku girl in me. I go pee-pee. I go pee-pee. Me still pregnant. Me say thank God me still pregnant. When the line are run, but them there, that's why when me I buy pregnancy test, I buy the instant one. I buy the one where take a 3, 4, 5 hours. I go look for cheap one with instant. And when me see it start run, one line. I'm say the next line, I say thank you Jesus. In mama lick me up, in mama lick me my back with big stone. I'm pregnant with Shanta. Poop in my back. So I don't know what I feel. I don't know what I feel like over here. Never did know. I don't know what I feel like over here. But what I think is not that. Me. That's a mascot. Sure. Yeah. One big stone on my back. And the same day I got public. I was fretting on I made a fret pan her. You saw when she for born? You saw when she for born? I got public from the night. I admit up there. Access in my hand. She can't born. Them take me out of the labor room and put me in the iris room. Them take me out of the labor room and put me in the iris room about 3 o'clock. She can't born. Shanta the longest picnic take a long for born. She can't born. She overworked, she overexhausted, she can't born. Them take me out of the labor room and put me in the iris room from about after 3. And at the 5 o'clock, my feel something go pop. I pray green, yellow something run out of me. I'ma show the nurse. I said, nurse, look here so. She said, go on to the bathroom, go wash off. When I go to the bathroom, when I both go in the bathroom, go wash off, in the stink of shit. One girl just go in there, I go wash off and have baby in there. And shit up the whole line in there. I'm a rag, me use a wipe up my cousin and throw on my gown. Is when I reach back in the iris room and go back on the bed, I string up from after 5 till after 9. I string up. I get one backlash drip on it, half pain drip, no pain me now feel. I fuss. I can't tell that person, say, me get induced labor and can't have baby. How you feeling by 12 o'clock? Mama, you feeling nothing? Them have one machine was strap around me. For me hear a heartbeat, boop, boop, boop. I pay sleep, me sleep. Induced labor, no pain. Me no know what I talk about. One back what? To do what? Exactly. Me? The poor baby stressed out. You might go through some things in your life. God got me. Even pray to the Almighty got me. Them strap down my belly. Panic up me, they go boop, boop, boop. Them have a monitor fear heartbeat right through. And from them in an hour bus, but them she pass 2 wheel in me. So I look at green something run out. Them trap me and I go strap me up. Like I said, me say, oh mother, we're gonna induce labor on you. Just see if you can have baby now, my baby now come none at all. And our heartbeat a month from about after 6. Boop, 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 boop. Our heartbeat a month from about after 6. And you know what time I got to have a baby after 9. So our heartbeat a month from after 6 in the morning to after 9 in the night. For the whole day. All me I do is sleep. Them have to take off the drip up there. You can't drink or eat, nothing for water. 2 drip up there. And them take me off of the one way. Them take me off of the one way I liquid and put me on the one way I induce labor. It off. When the doctor wake me up, it off. It off. Mother, you feeling nothing. No pain now come, no nothing. Lord God. No pain now feel, and man have to take off that and put on the one way. A liquid. Don't even know what that means, but a liquid. Over here nurse know me. Over here where nurse know me I talk about. Him take off the one for push on the pain for me. Me can't have her now, man. She now come. The passage now open. The passage now open. She tired. She stressed out. The nurse tell me that. So when can occur when baby pass two in of them stress out. The poor baby in my belly. But Shanta stress out. I sign one paper. And them cut me after 9. I think I have about 9:30 something the night. You see all that? Me blood clot me. Them joke me must about 45 times in my back. Don't have so dead. Them cut her and take her out. You see them stitch me up back? My pressure sky high. Can't go me hard. I think I spent almost about 5 days in a hospital to 6 days prior. I can't go home. And my pressure the skyrocket. I can't leave with my pressure so high. Don't know what I'm talking about. When you come up, our skin old. That little girl born old. She born with the whole her skin just old. She little bit. She born with the whole her skin old. She born with the whole her skin old. The only thing she born favor her father. She gone with the whole her skin shrivel up old. I don't know what she hard for born. Hard. I said, no, sir. She hard for born. The pitney work just hard for born. She can't born. All the pitney for born, the pitney can't just hard. But just have some hard. We have a hard labor with Shanta. She does hard for born. You know, some woman that go in a hospital quick and them look pump it, they come out. She hard for born. She not coming. Induced labor can't help me. I cut me, I forget. She hard for born. She stressed out. Because I remember me pregnant and stressed. I barber. True. Me not in nothing with you. If I not show no progress, man feel live life without no stress. What you mean by? I see me pregnant, me know me have pressure. And it only occur when me under stress. I made it very stressed out. Is that barber? You are. The only difference with him and she is that him did 6 centimeters away. But there's no difference. When him born him not balling. When him born him stuck. When him cut me, I take him out of me, him stuck. Them have to push down something. Them have to push down my belly, so. What do I talk about? I don't know what you don't think, but I go through so much things with this man. I could have never take my weirdest dream and say, me I go back. I ooh. I don't know if someone else feel what me feel, but I experience me experience, but me not. And there's a point in time where it never was love. It's a place where I have calculated everything in my mind, and if me leave, me think about if me leave, what become of them kids. And the same thing I said last night to the gentleman, I'm a good friend. No, my kids them they might pass the worst, but at least them can go to the bathroom and take a shower and brush them teeth. They're big enough. And Barbara born him now, ball. If that man for come on the internet come class me do the things them. When Barbara born him now, ball. When Barbara born me I lose oxygen. Them cut me and I take him out. I'm the pan. In that kitchen here. Never put the sum up, never put oxygen palm when him a born me forget oxygen. Cause when him a come out of me, I feel like my life a lack of family. My life a go away out of me. My life a go away. And tear around to me and I say, Father God, please, my life is my two to them. Past the worst. Not no. Nurse. Me can't. Nurse, me can't catch my breath. Me keep me a gap for ear when Barbara born me a gap for ear in the operating room. I never forget. I say nurse me a gap. Any boy with me a breathe for again, if I be a boy who will love me for a lifetime. No beef, no crosses. No more, you mad? No. It's a road where you have to take away at the worst road ever. That's when the girl them slung and comfort these niggas where disrespect them be mad and the things that me hate them for a lifetime because what? When me have Barbara, my brother left my body. I start to cry. The nurse, brother go away. She would throw on the oxygen upon me. And I when finally get the oxygen, but finally I revive too. I mean, while my brother left my body, I talk to God. I say, God, not now. Please, I beg you do. Not no. Not no, not no. Not no, God. I want to live for some pin them past the words. Remember, I still have chant. I just tell me a thing about my life flash in front of me. I just tell me a thing about not no. I just have the one and not no. Not no. I don't know. Not no. I have an oxygen. I start to take me have a take it in. Wall heap. Chew it. And somebody start to revive back. Start come back to myself. I'm better leave my body. I'm start me grab it back in me. I get it and me I grab it back. And him born him now ball. Big ya. Boy big and favor me ya. Big ya. Go. That goes up nah ball. That I click him. That I goes with him foot bottom. Clip. Eight and a half pound. Big ya. Big. Shanta way less than him. Big ya. Big. And face was big and round. Favor mama ya. As I look upon him, I see mama. And me so suck tongue. And when I reach pan ward, and then put me upon the ward, and the nurse come lick me so and said, Mother, wake up. I say, yes, miss. Take a pressure tablet, I go so. And next nurse come back and lick me so. Mother, I say, yes, ma'am. She say me to take your pressure tablet because you have this child to live for in the next one. And your pressure is so sky high. The top one eye and the bottom eye. I'm still gonna take me swallow me two. I swallow me two small yellow tablets. I never forget. I throw them in my mouth and swallow them. And as I throw them in my mouth, I put my back, me asleep. It's a tap out. I can't be me normal. And when I get caught, I can't jump up so I come off the bed. I take my little time, grab the bed, and draw myself easy. 1, 2, 3, and draw myself. And when I do come off of the bed, I take my little time. My first experience was the worst. The second experience, I kind of overcome because I know the first experience. I know what I talk about. And all of the things that we do in our life, we still get this by them. And I don't only judge me on social media. You know who judge me? See him there? My alone judge me. Because him see and him know that's why I'm always blessed. No care what you say about me, no care what you throw me on the bus, no care what you present to be the wicked person. Me will always have people support me. Me will always have people behind me. Me will always have people know the truth. God know the truth. Him alone know everything. Him alone. Worst things ever could happen to me, labor. Yeah. The man that beat me so much. My period come 2 times in a 1 month. Sorry. Me I say 2 times in a 1 month. I start see the first part of the month, and before the month done, I start see again. I ask my wicked mama, although she wicked, she says stress cause it. I said, my mother, I say again. She say, yeah, I say again. I say, yeah. What could I cause of them something? She says stress cause it. My daughter, you very 2 times in a 1 month. Stress would I let my family know till next year. Me just sing every day and overthink about my ball day, my ball day out. My ball day, my ball to myself, me not cry, my people I see me not walk and tell people my business. So I don't know that. I never know. So when I say a period 2 times in a 1 month, I stress cause it. I was so stressed out, naked, hungry. Me have the 2 people them nothing now going for me. A man have me a batter. Then why would I want to leave? Walk away from all of that for 12 years and then reunite myself back with that. I mean, I love myself. Some don't even prove who want who over here. I love myself. I don't care who you want to have. I don't care who you want after who you want to have, and I don't care who you want to lift up. You know what I care about? The day when we meet Akeem, I'm left you. Because when I meet Akeem, I couldn't left GX. I can't say it publicly. He said, I never meet Akeem, I couldn't left GX. Couldn't. Because when I went to that time, I said, go on where you go, I can't move. Come like I tie them time, I couldn't left him. So the day when me Akeem is a blessing for me. Always. I mean, ever church that look boy the Bakawa, that look boy that rescue me out of one place, so I never couldn't take myself to come out of it. So I don't know what is wrong with you people over here. And 100 people are still even know the whole damn truth. And that's why I don't like them, because I don't like speak the truth. The man that beat me so much, I could never find myself. God bless Akeem. Right now, Akeem then him, God bless him. All if him no want me owe him that much loyalty. You rescue me, my youth. Come on, please, I never can't take myself out of. I can't find myself outside. Me can't take myself outside. I did want to leave. I owe you that much loyalty. I owe you it. Ride or die till the end, me not care. I left me in a day. I left all if I win a day. Me owe you that much loyalty. Never, ever, ever, will never, ever cross a screen and bring you down. Never. Me a ride with you till the end like Chucky. I left me in a day. I won't left I win a day. Me owe you that much loyalty. And you take me from a blood clot place where me, Rosalie, couldn't take myself. Yeah. So the girl when I walk up pick up my problem, go on with them. Me. You mad? Some girl walk up pick up my problem like me care. Me not care. Sometimes I just love chat. And him do so much to me in a one go and him don't even realize it. Him do so much to me in a one go and him don't even realize it. Him don't even realize me that wash the foot and drink all the water. Him don't even realize what him do. Me didn't know one bandage place so I can't come out. Me can't take myself out tight. Every time I tell myself, say, alright then, something always pull me back. When I leave, what happen to the kids them? When I leave, what I do this, what me always a overthink. You crazy? Me owe him that much loyalty, me couldn't take myself out tight. Him alone could have come and say, come here. Move. Yeah. No, I'm free at last. Me say make him food basket never empty. And I hope and pray, Father God, guide and protect that little boy through the days as him life. Because him don't even know what him do for me. Or I couldn't do for myself. And sometimes gratitude goes a far away. I have to acknowledge, you have to acknowledge the little things that people do for you, and it's so much. You do a big thing for me, you don't even know. I couldn't move. You crazy? I want to leave Jakes and can't leave him a blood clot. Jakes will come on social media and talk on my shit and all these things. At least at the apostle, you treat me bad, you do me bad, you beat me, you slam me head on the wall, you butt me, you cut me, you strangle me, you do me all of these things. So when you come and talk all of these things, you don't even budge me. You do me the worstest thing, you chop me, when you lose my hand, you do me all of these things. So don't sit down over here and tell people like I make Nessa feel like say, we want you, but me don't want you. I am running from you. As my baby follow me, I run from you. So the next girl we are going to take up, she will run from you too. Because he's a man. If the woman them now say your way, it's your way or no way at all. And I know that for me have a key, I have the key to it. At 12 years, me do. And Jakes, unfortunately, I couldn't do another month. Hush. I not change your ways. I'ma try with you. I give you a chance with me. I'ma try with you. I never, ever, ever think about how I feel in all of this. You know the door is closed. I not argue with you. I stop sending people for argue with me. I'm done with you, Papa. I wish you all the best in life that it has to offer. But me and you, I don't care where you want to do with, I don't care. Me a girl will tell us to come on, start a life, rank your money, look your money, have your youth them, focus for your youth them. Me a girl will sit down and talk to you softly, but sit down and talk to you calmly. Me and you going back is no going back. Me no want you. You're very abusive. The door is closed. Couldn't go back in them the drama there. Jakes is not healthy for the body. And so I do my testimony, it's not healthy for the body, Papa. You need to have some ways where you really need for change. You're very obsessive and jealous, so you're not changing my ways there. I lick woman for the least mistake, they make you lick them. So me sorry for Ali upon fear journey. Cause she want man, me sorry for her. Cause fear about a little bit, she can't take lick. Huh. Fear about a little bit, she can't take lick. So I come over here, come talk. Don't feel like say I want you, no, Papa. I wish the best for you always in life because you have your kids them. But me and you, brother, I came 50 chance with me more than give you one. Our next man with the next chapter, that chapter they close. Our next man with the next chapter, with the next 50 more chance, me give you a whole heap. Cause when you chop me by my hand, when Shanta a couple months old, me still bring back for you 4 times. The chapter is closed. So Nessa, please, my beggar, leave me alone. The chapter is closed within him. Me and I fight for none cause me don't want him. I don't care what him want do. The only reason why I come over here come bust but when him come I text up Akim and me don't like it. He said if Jakes leave Akim him out time out, we leave him alone. My man me a defend. My man me a defend. Cause not as if me want you. I couldn't want you back. You do me so much thing in the world that is distasteful and uncalled for. I couldn't go back with you no time at all. I couldn't go back with to you. No time at all. It's a moving forward for me. I just wish the best in your life. You not acknowledge that. Because you're so caught up in getting back. You're so caught up in getting back at your big mother. You not realize that you wish the best to you. But try to tell us that if you do your house, me will buy your bed, me will help you, all that I bring to you. Me know why you, sir. I mean, I need to come on social media and prove to the people them say, me know why you. The door is closed. Because what Jakes, we not understand. He said me take you back regardless of social media and the bag of chattings. If me take you back, but don't like me. Who are gonna love me? Only but me. I take you back, Jakes, me don't like me. I don't like myself. There's gonna be a lot of disappointment, but we as big people, if I make decision, you don't like me. Why would I want to leave from a man where I beat up my ass and take him back because I'm gonna beat up my ass? Make it make sense. Never look at scars and wounds for sure you beat out my ass. So why would I really want you back? Sometimes we fail to understand, but we understand to feel. Chat, I look too tight gift because these things get me emotional. I look too tight gift. Sometimes we fail to understand and understand to feel. Chat me, I look too money gone, yeah. Chat 6K put we have 5 I try to go up on the board. We are look one somebody with 5. We are look one somebody with 5 for Rosa. One somebody with 5 money gun. One somebody with 5 Swan. One somebody with 4 Galaxy. One somebody with 4 fireworks, one somebody with 3 wheel. Well, look some title gift that chat. We are trying to get the small to reach the medium. Just leave me alone, please. You can't tell the bag of yeah. Move on, more live my life. Me can't buy the bag of yeah. I want to still and rejuvenate myself and focus on when my kids them come back, when I go orchestrate that time now, I can't have them on my yard. I don't want to focus on and a man. Sometime in a life, you know, if you understand, so when man don't want you, don't take him up on him, be a mother. Call me, make the man don't want you. Because when man don't want me, I hold my folly grounds. I walk when I'm perplex people. When man don't want me, Tita, yeah, I hold my family. I walk when I'm perplex people when man don't want me. All my folly grounds. That is the difference between me and Uno. Some Uno can't accept some man no want to know. And me accept them the fate a long time ago from me start grind early. When man no want me, if no know you tell me say you no want me. If you tell me say you no want me, you show me say you no want me, hold my grounds. Because what? Every who have them stick a bush. So if you don't want me, somebody else will. Sometimes you have to walk away and let go of the things that hurting you. A long time I don't feel hurt. But the past last year, September, I don't feel hurt and I have suicidal thoughts. I'm more firm up in the Gideon. I'm more calm up. Sometimes when the time I have to pay on my mind, I hold my composure. I get the chance to walk away from the things that hurting me and I walk away from it. There's no turning back. Never be that sleep any day, baby father. Me alright, let him stay. I wish him the best all the way. But make him stay. Film chapter close, make him stay. Film chapter close, make him stay. Me just now go back down to them the road there. And I don't need to cry about it and I don't need to question myself. Chapter close. And as I come over here and bitter me and talk about yeah, people for do people things. I not pay nobody for do nobody nothing. Cause if me I do something I want to do it myself. Because it hurt me deep. And much as I want to cut me deep and hurt me do it, I'm always look out for no. But put that aside and move on. I want to fast with me. Jake, stop sending this for fast with me. You move on and me move on, chapter close. You know, if we have kids together, we don't need to prove who cause you don't want me and I don't want you. The chapter they close. We have kids and them a grow. You keep on making social media, get the best of you and chatting with people, make you now identify the real true people them around you. At the end of the day, when them gonna say who Shanta and Barbara mother, them gonna say Rosalie. And them say who Shanta and Barbara father, them gonna say Jakes. And all when you have 5 subjects, you will never understand and identify that. And that's why I leave you alone. Chapter closed. Come in and argue with you. You don't need to. Chat me look too title gifter. Chapter close. If you can't identify at least at the end of the day, I'm being mad at that. Me let go son argument. I don't want to live for the media, and me don't want to live for the media. Me want to live for me. Me want to work here. That is a true definition between me and Uno. Uno want to live for the media. Me no want Rosalie don't want to live for the media. I want to live for me. Who give a fuck about the media? What you guys gonna say? No screen a call around with me. Me not gonna listen to what I right say. I believe for me, I want me believe in. I don't live for social media. They say what I want. I come over here, I'm going to be me. If I'm angry, I'm going to bust pay the body. But now some girl will pick me will go because I'm ignorant. I'm more setting seed earth. I not throw my hand, I not throw no rock and hide my hand. I talk bluntly. I talk bluntly, I go class you. And if me in the movie say shit to you, I just not go say nothing. That is just me. And that's why more hours I'm a supporter because they know once Rose get out of character, she says certain things, you get her to that out of character. When I go class until I will hurt you. The most. Me never play a victim, me's a victim of nothing. If I'm hurt, I'm hurt. If I'm happy, I'm happy. And if I'm sad, I'm sad. And you guys sometimes piss me off. But anyway, when I put up a 10 challenge day, try to look 7K if I got 4. No, I look what I keep up here for. Trad. Who I want somebody with 4 Galaxy. With a big reveal for itself. Oh, I want somebody with 4 Galaxy chat. Nobody know they are blood clot. Oh, I want somebody with 4 Galaxy. Somebody can like me and buy me something with big and large. Try to look one somebody with 4 Galaxy. Try to look one somebody with 4 Galaxy. Maki! Maki, if I send 2 more, they make it. Maki, thank you, baby. See there? That's Maki. Trot. We look one somebody with Bumbo. We look one somebody with one lion. To Mary Smith Taylor there. Trot, we look 21K for got 3. I gotta like my friend name because I beg her do something for me. You know for sure, me get hurt in a tomb. Me alright. But just watch them kids are alright. Chat. We are try got 3. I tell you why it's serious now. Boy long two. 2 party and 1 line. 1 line and mama 1 universe. It's serious. So we can put some galaxy because boy. No matter about I'm too big. We are look some galaxy chat. We don't have the money gun. We don't have the money gun team. Majestic touch, thank you. We look some 21 galaxy for got 3. Anybody have no puss can put? Chat we look 21 galaxy for got 3. Marley baby, what's up? Chat I look 21 galaxy for got 3. Chat I look 12 galaxy for got 3 chat. I look 12 galaxy. Anybody have no wheel can put? Never want to. XXXX. XXX. Chat, we look 8 galaxy for God. We look 8 galaxy chat for God 3. I Rose. Read what? So look, I come in on my phone and do something. World dog, I run too much. But him tell me to request me. Ooh, pink tree. Pink. Thank you, Gally. Tell me to come. I have a blood clot cup. Wait, tell me to request me. What do you man? Tell me to request me. Tell me to request me. Tell me to request me. Chat, we look 3 galaxy and 1 money gun. Go pan number 3. Tell him to request me, chat. I'm hungry now. I never eat. I cooked yesterday, strawberries. Everybody thank you. Tell him to request me, chat. Tell him to request me. Add me. Invite turn off. Alright. Chat like a reach out and see if we can take a little time tracker. We get one little money gun. Thank you so much. Chat, we look 3 galaxy for God 3.
Part of the letter will say, we demand that you make an offer of compensation for the damages suffered by our client to be determined. Nessa go suck out your mama bleeding blood clot. Go ahead. Come take it.
Hold on
Bye-bye.
then. Me go look for see the back part of wife. Hold on, because I can't read good enough.
Well, I really take money from her. How money you want from this?
Nessa need for go be that wash out her hole. Go look for your baby father them.
That's a waste of time.
Yeah.
A waste of time. You could have